9-step for skincare routine. Hello, beauty enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel today. We're embarking on a journey into the realm of radiant skin, the perfect 9-step skincare routine. Whether you're a skincare aficionado or just starting out, mastering the art of layering products can truly transform your complexion. So, grab your favorite skincare goodies and let's indulge in the ultimate self-care. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our beauty and skincare content. Now, let's dive into the world of glowing skin. Number 9. Wash your face. Let's kick off with the foundation of any skincare routine, a clean canvas. Morning and night, indulge your skin in a gentle cleanse. Use clean palms and massage a small amount of cleanser onto your face with gentle pressure. This not only removes impurities, but also preps your skin to absorb the goodness of the following steps. If you wear makeup, consider a double cleanse at night for that extra deep, clean sensation, ensuring your skin is ready to receive the love it deserves. Number 8. Apply toner. Now that your skin is squeaky clean, it's time to balance and prepare it for the next steps. Enter the unsung hero of many skincare routines, toner. If you use toner, apply it after cleansing and before anything else. A few drops on your palms or a cotton pad, gently swiped across your face, helps restore your skin's pH balance. If your toner has exfoliating properties, save it for the night routine. For hydrating toners, feel free to use them twice a day. The goal here is to provide a harmonious environment for the products that follow. Number 7. Apply serum. As we move to the third step, we enter the powerhouse phase, the serum. In the morning, consider a serum packed with antioxidants, like a brightening vitamin C serum. This shields your skin from the free radicals it encounters throughout the day. In the evening, opt for a moisturizing serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, especially if you're using anti-aging or acne treatments that can potentially dry out your skin. Quick tip: water-based serums go beneath your moisturizer, while oil-based serums are applied after to seal in the goodness. Number 6. Apply eye cream. Don't neglect the delicate skin around your eyes. While you can use your regular moisturizer, specialized eye creams are designed to address specific concerns. They're typically lighter in consistency, making them ideal for the thinner skin around your eyes. Applying eye cream before your moisturizer ensures that this delicate area receives the attention it deserves. Consider one with a metal rollerball applicator and pop it in the fridge for an extra refreshing morning routine that helps combat puffiness. Number 5. Use spot treatment. For those dealing with blemishes or acne concerns, incorporating spot treatments into your nighttime routine can be a game changer. Nighttime is when your body is in repair mode, making it the ideal time to target specific skin concerns. However, be cautious when layering acne-fighting ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid with retinol, as combining them can lead to irritation. Strike a balance to keep your skin calm and hydrated. Number 4. Moisturize. Now, let's seal the deal with hydration. Moisturizing is essential to hydrate the skin and lock in all the goodness from the previous steps. In the morning, opt for a lightweight lotion, ideally with SPF 30 or higher, to provide that added layer of sun protection. In the evening, embrace a richer night cream. If you have dry skin, there's no harm in using a cream both morning and night for that extra boost of hydration. Number 3. Apply retinoid. For those seeking to address dark spots, breakouts, and fine lines, enter the world of retinoids. These vitamin A derivatives, including retinol, can enhance skin cell turnover, promoting a smoother complexion. However, be mindful, retinoids can be irritating, especially for sensitive skin. Due to their sensitivity to sunlight, it's crucial to use them exclusively at night. Remember to follow up with sunscreen during the day, as retinoids make your skin more susceptible to the sun's rays. Number 2. Apply face oil. For an added touch of luxury, many skincare enthusiasts turn to face oils. If you're one of them, apply your face oil after all your other skincare steps. The oil acts as a protective barrier, ensuring that none of the goodness you've applied is lost. Remember, a little goes a long way with face oils. They can be especially beneficial for those with drier skin, providing that extra layer of nourishment. Number 1. Apply sunscreen. Last but undoubtedly the most crucial step, sunscreen. Sun protection is the holy grail of skincare. Even if your moisturizer boasts SPF, don't skip this step. Wait at least 20 minutes before heading outdoors to ensure your sunscreen takes full effect. Look for broad-spectrum SPF, guarding your skin against both UVA and UVB radiation. Sunscreen not only prevents skin cancer, but also plays a vital role in preventing premature aging. It's the ultimate investment in your skin's health. So there you have it, the roadmap to the perfect 9-step skincare routine. If you enjoyed this deep dive into skincare, give it a thumbs up and share it with your beauty-loving friends. If you have any questions or specific skincare topics you'd like us to explore further, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, embrace your skincare journey and stay beautifully radiant.